select a stock. Industrial expert Anuj Kapil will explain about this now.
My strategy when it comes to stock selection is not that I am following one approach. The only approach I am following, I follow the all strategy so that I will come back with a very good filtration process, and I will do macro analysis, will do micro analysis, will do fundamental analysis, will do technical analysis, and we'll come back with the thing that what is to be buy, at what price, at what valuation, what is their sectoral approach, what is their sectoral theme for the next 2 years, and the technical analysis is come back. Then we have thought, we have gathered that this is the stock we are going to buy, and that technical analysis has helped us. That's this is the stock, and when should we buy it, at what levels we are going to buy it. That is the point where we come at the price action average strategies and all the strategies. So
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.